I already gave a map assignment to you, and I found that most of you are making some mistake in that. Okay, so let me explain how to mark different places which was there in the first lesson's assignment. So I hope all of you will watch it properly and rectify the mistakes what you are making so far. So let's find out first about, let's understand about the northernmost and southernmost uh, latitude of India. Okay, when we say latitudes, I'm sure still some of you have some doubts regarding whether which one is latitude and which one is longitude. Okay, so latitudes are what we can say, circles which surrounding the earth from equator towards northern pole and from equator towards south pole. Those circles are called as latitude. So naturally, since India is in tropical part of the region, somewhere near the equator, all latitudes are, and entire India is in northern hemisphere. So all the latitudes which is passing through India will be north latitudes. So with northernmost latitude, and you can see this is a northernmost latitude of India, 36 degrees 7 minute north latitude. That is the northernmost latitude of India. Yeah, you can see here also 36 degree north latitude you can see here, and this side also you can see 36 degree north latitude. That means, and if you are marking from here towards, you can see that the northern part is not exactly parallel to the northernmost latitude, it's going a little bit above. So because of that, we can say 36.7 degree north latitude, that is the northernmost latitude of India. Okay, so it's clear here. So when the question is mark the northernmost latitude of India, you have to what you have to do, see here in this map, they made a line here, and above that you have to write the degree, that is 36 degrees 7 minute north latitude. In the question it will be given as northernmost point of India, only that much, but when you are marking in the map you should mark it and write 36.7 degree north. Okay, now let's come to the southern part. Southern, yeah, I'll just okay, southern part, so that you can understand, I'm just taking here southern part. You see here, question will be southernmost latitude of India. Okay, so that is yeah, here you can see a line is here. uh, it's a tricky one, because here you should read the question properly. If the question is southernmost latitude of India, only if southernmost latitude of India, then you can mark it here, or southernmost point of mainland India. If the question is southernmost point of mainland India or southernmost point of India, then you can mark this part. Draw a line here, and write this, what is given here, for 8 degree 4 minute north latitude. Got it? So this is the southernmost latitude of India, 8 degree 4 minute north latitude. Or if the question is southernmost point of Indian Union, then it's little bit different, because apart from the mainland, we have two island group also as part of our country. In these physical features of India, you are already studying that. So from that island group, these are the Lakshadweep Islands, and here you can see the Andaman Nicobar Island. And the southern part of, or southernmost island of Andaman Nicobar Islands, which will come somewhere 6 degree 4 minute north latitude. This also is a part of India. But if the question is Indian mainland, then this is the southernmost part. If the question is Indian Union, then this is Indira, it's called as Indira Point, which was submerged underwater during the 2004 tsunami. So if the question is which is the southernmost point of Indian mainland, then it is Kanyakumari. You can mark it there. Or if the question is southernmost point of Indian Union, then this is Indira Point, which is part of the Andaman Nicobar Island. So I hope this much is clear to you. So now you are you know about southernmost island and southernmost part of India in mainland and Indian Union. The northern part also, I hope it's clear to you. Okay, so next you see next part comes. Okay, let me clear this, otherwise it will be, you will get confused. Okay, so I'm clearing this marking. I hope it's clear to you now. If you have any more doubt, you can ask me under this. When I will upload the video, you can ask me that. Okay, so next you see next question is easternmost and westernmost longitude of India. So you remember latitudes means they are parallel lines. Okay, latitudes are parallel lines. Like latitudes will be coming like this. With the latitudes, with the degree, there will be N or S. Okay, here you can see 36 degree N. Then this is also 38 degree north, 28 degree north, 20 degree north. These and all are north latitudes. But when you say longitudes, that means from north to south, semicircle running from north pole to south pole, like semicircles are longitude. So when you say longitude, entire India is located in eastern hemisphere. So all the longitudes which are passing through India, that they will be eastern longitude. That you should remember properly. All the latitudes which is there in India, they all are northern latitudes, and all the longitudes belong to east longitude. So with the latitude we will write N, whether it's southernmost latitude or northernmost latitude. Here you can say 8 degree 4 minute north, and north also 36 degrees 7 minute north. And with the longitude we have only eastern longitude. So western side, first you see westernmost westernmost longitude of India is 68 degrees 7 minute east longitude. Okay, you should mark it here. It's not marked. You can see one line passing from here, this one, here to here. This line shows the eastern part and western part and eastern part of India. So you can see after this, all the other part of India, this is a westernmost point. That's why it's starting from here. And the longitude which is passing through this region, that is 68 degrees 7 minute east longitude. And this is the easternmost longitude of India. And westernmost longitude of India is 68 degrees 7 minute east longitude. And this one is easternmost longitude. It's already written here. You can see that easternmost longitude, that is eastern side of India, 97 degree 25 minute east longitude is the easternmost longitude of India. So I hope it's clear. 37 degrees 7 minute north latitude, that is a northernmost latitude, and 8 degree 4 minute north latitude is the southernmost latitude of India. 68 degrees 7 minute east longitude is easternmost latitude of India. Westernmost longitude of India, and 97 degree 25 minute east longitude is the easternmost longitude of India. Okay, so that much is clear. So that was the first question, northernmost, southernmost latitude, and easternmost, westernmost longitudes of India. Now let us understand the next question. That is, you have to mark the Tropic of Cancer. most of the maps Tropic of Cancer will be already marked. It may not be written though, but you can understand. In smaller classes you learned about Tropic of Cancer, 23.5 degree north latitude, that is a Tropic of Cancer. So you can see a dotted line here starting from western side to passing through this area. You can see Bangladesh, then going to Myanmar area. So this latitude is called as Tropic of Cancer. So if there is a question to mark Tropic of Cancer, as I told you, most of the maps already it will be marked as, it will be marked. It may not be written there, but it will be marked. So you just have to write Tropic of Cancer in that area as it is given here. You can see that. Or if it is not marked, then how it's given here, you can start marking from here. See, through here you can, but always mark it with a dotted line. Don't draw a proper line, with dotted line you can mark. Okay. Next part. Okay, so next part of the question, it's a standard meridian of India. What is standard meridian and all we already learned, so I'm not going to explain it. So standard meridian of India, which help us to have a uniform time throughout the country. The degree of this meridian or longitude, it is 82.5 degree east meridian. 82.5 degree east meridian means, as you can see in the map, it is passing through almost middle of the country. See here, when you calculate, you can see properly. When you consider this longitude, 68 degree 7 minute east longitude and 97 degree 25 minute east longitude, you can see this particular line. You can see a dotted line running from north to south. This one what I am marking now. This line is almost middle of these two end. That means between 86 and 7 minute east and 97 and 25 minute east. It's passing almost the middle. So this particular longitude, that is 82.5 degree east longitude, is considered as the standard meridian of India. What's the use of standard meridian? The time which is in this particular meridian will be, or local time of this meridian is considered as a standard time for the entire country. That is importance of standard meridian of India. So how you will mark it in the map? What you have to do? First find out where is 80 degree. Okay, in the map you can see here. Let me clear it, then it will be more. Yes. Okay. Yes. First you find out where is this 80 degree longitude. Then you can find out 84 degree longitude. Use a scale and find out the exact middle of these two longitude. Remember, standard meridian means 82 degree, half means east meridian. So you have to find out exactly the middle of these two longitude, and same way you come to this southern side also. First you done it, don't start drawing. First find out the exact middle and put a mark there. Okay, just say a dot or something, just a dot you mark here. Okay, here you mark the dot. Then what you have to do? Come to the southern part of the map, and again you find out, in this map I cannot see properly, again you find out which is a 80 degree, it will be almost somewhere here, I think 80 degree and 84 degree, and again find out exact middle of these two degrees. Then what you have to do? Yeah, keep the scale and then you keep the scale the north to south, and then connect those two areas. Okay, this is a marked area. I moved the map. Okay, from here you connect down where we marked, till then you connect, that will be your standard meridian of India, that is 82.5 degrees. Just marking is not enough. Always you see in the question itself it's given locate and label. So just marking is not enough, you should write what is it. You should write standard meridian of India, you should write 82.5 degree east meridian or all other Tropic of Cancer. Everywhere you should mark these places also. Then the next question was about the islands of India, isn't it? Islands, we have two island groups. Was that the question? Okay, anyway, if the question is about two island groups, then you can mark this one is Lakshadweep Island and Andaman Nicobar Island. Uh, in this lesson, another question was about Park Strait and Gulf of Mannar. Okay, so let's find out those areas also. Yes. Park Strait and Gulf of Mannar means the areas where okay, let me clear all those markings, then it will be more clear. Okay, fine. So let's understand this. Park Strait and Gulf of Mannar comes in this area where India is near the country Sri Lanka. So between Sri Lanka and India, the sea which is there, you can see that very narrow area is the distance between India and Sri Lanka, only few kilometers away. So this part, this I will mark it here now. This area, middle of this circle, what I marked here, almost circle, that part is Park Strait. Okay, it's not nothing to do with Pakistan. Parks, what is the meaning of strait? Strait means a narrow water body which connect two larger water bodies. So here we have Bay of Bengal and here we have Indian Ocean. So the narrow water area where the water connects Bay of Bengal and Indian Ocean, this area is known as Park Strait, okay, which is dividing India and Sri Lanka. Then in this map it's not much clear. This particular area, what I am shading now, this particular area, the water body here, this is called as Gulf of Mannar. Meaning of Gulf is a water body which is protrude towards the land area. That's it. So this area is Gulf of Mannar. So when the question comes to mark the area, put an arrow mark here like this. Just mark an arrow mark and here you can write Gulf of Mannar. Okay. I'm not able to write properly with this, but I hope you understood what is it. This is Gulf of Mannar and here again you can make an arrow mark and arrow mark should be towards the area and here you can write Park Strait. Okay, I'm not writing there, like it's very difficult to write. So just understand, here you can write Park Strait and here Gulf of Mannar. So that's it about the map question of our first lesson. Okay, thank you.